having a great summer. I'm Miss Shoemaker, and today I'm going to read a super cool story about a science fair to you. So, the title of our book is Pete the Cat in the Super Cool Science Fair. And our authors are Kimberly and James Dean. If you look at the illustrations, it looks like a super cool science experiment. Let's get started. Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. I'd be excited too. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he can try it out. Pete's teacher tells the students that they will do experiments in groups. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. Our experiment is going to be groovy, says Pete. What should we do? Let's build a mini submarine, says Callie. Or grow a giant tree, says Squirrel. Or invent an invisible guitar, says Pete. Why don't we make a volcano? Asks Gus. Whoa, they all say. Volcanoes are awesome. The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. Would any scientist like a cookie, she asks. They all raise their hands. The cookies are gooey and warm. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials. They need glue, water, newspapers, paint, and a plastic bottle for the volcano. They need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for the lava. Pete and Gus mix the glue and the water. Squirrel and Callie tear the newspaper into strips. They cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky white volcano. Oh no! The paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we going to do? Asked Callie. They can't find brown paint anywhere. Oh no! That's pretty cool, says Pete. Maybe it's okay that we have a blue volcano. We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. Let's test the lava so that we know the volcano will erupt at the science fair, Pete says. Gus pours baking soda and liquid dish soap into the volcano, and Callie adds vinegar. Nothing happens at first. All of a sudden, a lot of lava starts coming out. Super cool, says Callie. The team high-five each other, but the lava is still coming out. Soon, it's a huge mess. Oh no. Oh, Mom isn't going to be happy, says Pete. At least the scientists are ready for the fair on Friday. When Pete and his team arrive at the fair, they all see the other groovy experiments. They all look awesome. Grumpy Toad and Octopus grew rock candy in jars. Yum. Emma and Marty made slime. I know a lot of you guys like to make slime. We don't stand a chance, says Gus. Don't worry, we have the secret ingredient, says Pete. At the science fair, Pete's teacher loves the blue volcano. Wait till you see it erupt, says Pete. The whole class watches Callie pour vinegar into the volcano. A second later, Glitter lava gushes out. Everyone cheers. The scientists cheer the loudest. Science experiments are hard work, says Pete, but being an awesome team makes them a whole lot easier. If you look at their trophy, it says, coolest experiment at the science fair. Wow, that was a cool book. What was your favorite part? My favorite part was how they worked together as a team to make that super cool volcano. If you were Pete the cat, what would you have made for your science fair? I can't wait to see you guys soon, and I hope that you have a great rest of your summer. Bye!